Hi, today I'm going to be comparing the Interdesign Squeegees with the Doc Rock all-purpose squeegee. Let's take a look and see how they perform. So we're going to test the squeegeeing ability of the Interdesign squeegee right here. So this is what the mirror looks like before the squeegeeing. This is what it looks like after. So that is what the wide angle looks like. So we're going to test out the suction cup for the Interdesign one right now. We put it on the violent one right there. Stick it on really good. Grab the squeegee and hang it on like so. That's what it looks like. And take it off. And then if we want to take it off, we just grab the handle right there and take it off. So let's test the Doc Rock squeegee right here. I sprayed my mirror with some water. Let's see how the squeegee does. So that's how it looks right there. You can see the comparison from the side. Now we're gonna look how the holders look on the wall. So we'll start with this one right here. You just gotta take the adhesive strip off the back and press it on like so. This is hard to come off. And then just take the squeegee, hang it on like that. Now let's try it with the top holder. So same thing as the other one, you just place it on top, or you just place it in your shower, wherever you want, like so. Push it down, and then put it on like so. Right here. A little less sturdy than the last one, but it still sticks onto the wall. So all in all, comparing the two, we see physically that this is like the clear plastic. It's hard up until the actual squeegee part. This has a smooth gray shiny metallic feel to it. The Interdesign squeegee head is a little bit bigger, and so it's able to get more area. They both have different methods of hanging. This has a suction cup that was able to stick to the wall very well, whereas this handle right here did not stick to the wall very well. I was not very impressed at the adhesiveness of the strip on the back. However, for the hook right here, it did stay on the wall a lot better and was actually very hard to get off. So the adhesive strip on the back of this one was very impressive. Performance-wise for both of these, I would say that the Interdesign was pretty smooth up until the left side of the squeegee, because if you feel right here, there's a bit of a irregularity, so I think that contributed to it. So definitely left some water on that part, but other than that, the rest of the squeegee was pretty dang good. And the Doc Rock has a nice smooth edge, but it did leave some streaks, very small, and very, very small streaks as compared to the Interdesign, which was pretty noticeable in the spot where it didn't get. So both of these, however, are great squeegees, and if you have the chance, I would consider buying one.